loving to have fun, let's put your hands together for our Friday night house team, Seagull related fish fight!
Seagull related fish fight. I'm Melissa.
Jimmy.
Tom.
Bagley.
John.
Brad. And we're gonna do some improv for you. Yeah, just like everyone else did tonight. There's a whole theme, the whole thing tonight. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little mashup of scenes for you based off an object. So what we need is the name of an object, any object.
Pillowcase.
Pillowcase, thank you. That's a perfect object.
We zoom in on a baseball bat.
It's inside pillowcase.
It is a Louisville Slugger.
The pillowcase is also a Louisville Slugger brand pillowcase.
With little baseball gloves and baseballs and cross bats all over it.
There's another bat next to the pillowcase.
The pillowcase is attached to the bat with like camo duct tape. The hem of the pillowcase is undoing.
Stuffed inside the pillowcase, sort of surrounding the bat portion of the bat, are stuffed animals.
Oh, the bat's a 32.
It's a size.
Enough size doesn't matter. But.
What's going on?
Sleeping terribly.
Oh, really?
Terribly, yes.
Oh my goodness.
Look
Yeah,
at
your shoulders all out of whack.
It is.
Ooh, all right. Sit down. Get ice or something. Did you check your mattress?
It's not the mattress. It can't be the mattress.
I don't know.
I got it off the neighbor's back porch.
Okay, came with the mattress? Okay, what
I
about
mean,
your...
they slept fine for years.
For years? Before they pitched it off that porch?
Yes.
Okay, what about your pillows?
I mean, it could be the pillows. They're not the same brand
As the mattress?
as each other.
Hold this here. I'm gonna get you Advil. Oh my goodness. Not the same as each other?
No.
What are they?
One's a Sealy and one's a Dealy. I like
It's strange.
It's so strange.
No, I don't feel comfortable with that.
But, I mean, like, the on the bag it says it's the same. Don't pay double for a non-Dealy.
You want icy hot?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, Bob?
Done.
I hate to do this to you, but I'm gonna need to get our mattress back.
You know the neighborhood rules.
No,
Once it hits the back porch, it's free game.
my mother-in-law's coming.
Doug?
I can't put her on an air mattress.
Doug, you're gonna put your mother-in-law on an air mattress.
Is that icy hot?
Yes, it's icy hot.
I love it.
Well, Derek, did you get the mattress back?
Neighborhood rules clearly state that once it's on the back porch, it's free game, and if a neighbor takes it, it's possession 9/10 of the law kind of thing.
Oh, geez, Bob quoted the neighborhood rules.
I know. I told him we only need it for like a few nights.
We need it for my mom.
I know. For a few nights, maybe 2,
5.
3,
5.
4.
I'm staying here for a week, my baby girl! My baby girl! Where am I sleeping? Where am I letting this rest of my legs? Oh! I brought my cat!
Hey, I don't know why I'm saying hi to your cat. Mom, there's a bit of a wrinkle. We don't have that now.
Oh, I've got a load of wrinkles.
Oh, man. As soon as that cat hits that back porch, I'm a grab.
Trixie! Where's Miss Trixie?
Hey, Mom. You know what? You need some fresh air. Why don't you go out on the back porch?
Sales are slow this quarter.
Oh, man. I just don't understand the new system.
The system is you sell pillows.
I'm trying to sell pillows. I mean, people just need to sleep. They should sell themselves.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm late.
Why do you look so well rested?
Quality pillows are the secret to sleep. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I thought this meeting would go on a lot longer, but quality
Pillows. Yes, quality pillows are the secret to sleep.
quality
Pillows are the secret to sleep.
Quality pillows are the secret to sleep.
We did it. Yeah.
Here's bonus money.
Thank you.
Bonus money. I took it out of petty cash earlier. I was going to steal it, but
Get in here, everyone. They're coming up with a damn fine slogan, those opposing companies. Damn it. Quality pillows, what? I'm coming up with a new slogan.
All right.
Damn fine work, Johnson. Damn fine.
Ah, my migraine's back.
Did he just say?
My migraine's back?
We zoom in on the eraser.
It's an Expo brand eraser.
it's got the fabric side is red because of so much red marker that it's erased. That took a long time.
EXO is spelled with 3 X's.
It's got one of those plastic clips on it so you can hook the marker directly to it.
It's got little dents in it from how many times it's fallen down to the ground.
And bite marks from how many times people have bitten it.
It's really frayed so the pad part's like flayed out all around the edge of the handles part.
Just give me something to bite down on. Break anything!
I won't.
Okay. I want you to remove the arrow.
Just pull it out.
What do you think remove means? Damn it!
I don't know. I'm not a doctor.
You can't go to the doctors. Come on, man. You can't go to the doctors and call the cops when you have an arrow in you.
You haven't shot a lot of arrows.
Al, son, nobody's ever running through these woods. So I just want you to fire arrows blindly into them. We're just working on form today. Accuracy's not a concern. I love you, son.
Oh.
Killed a white-bellied dove.
You remember Daddy's talk about secrets, right?
Keep them.
Keep them. And don't tell that friendly park ranger. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. There's no way a human being or any other.
Whoa! A black bearded swallow.
I'm looking at a hair.
Ooh. Are you like in the middle of the hair, close to the follicle, or are you on the split ends?
I don't know about stuff. I just looked at the hair. I put it on the little glass slide. I put the thing on top of it with the glue stuff, and I pressed it down, and I slid it in, and I put the little light on that was underneath it, and looked through it, and it's a hair. I don't know what end it is.
Ding. You just keep sciencing over there, buddy.
Is Bobby here?
Yeah, he's just doing some science work.
Oh yeah, I'm here to supply him with some materials.
Yeah, is that my shipment of stuff to look at?
Yeah, Bobby, I got some more hairs for you.
Yeah, you got a friend over here.
All right.
You two have fun.
Well, for me and the guys in the neighborhood.
Oh, you're leaving already?
I'm leaving now.
Oh, cool. I thought your friends would stick around a little longer.
They're only sort of friends. You didn't make fun of me in school.
What? You? How could they possibly make fun of you? Look at you, you got a bright future ahead of you. Mr. Science Man.
Hey, these ones are curly.
We zoom in on a can of Monster Energy drink. It's the Gronk edition.
It was from my crotch. What?
You were holding it in your left hand down here. That's what I was.
That's
That's where I was
yeah,
zooming
yeah,
from.
he
Not
was
sure.
holding you.
Oh! I'm up to speed.
It's got a convenient and confusing anatomy chart on it.
The tap thing is ripped off.
It's really softer on the inside because whoever was drinking it was getting so like stoked that they just kept squeezing the can until it got all like really.
Yeah.
Gronk's here.
I didn't know Gronk was coming today.
Gronk's here.
It's in the little letter we sent. So, just ready to make a difference in the lives of some kids.
Okay, all right, kids. We're gonna learn from Gronk today. Today was supposed to be about American history, so Gronk, take the lead.
Hey, Mr. Gronk.
Hey, what's up, kid?
Hi, Gronk.
What's up, kid?
Oh my God.
Nice to meet you both, kids.
I'll never use my hand again. I can't write with my broken hand anymore, Mr. Peterson.
Mine's blue. Is that okay?
It's fine. It's fine. We'll get through this.
I'm sorry I helped your kids so much.
Gronk, you're a leader and a role model to us all. I'm sure once we heal, we'll be able to throw balls as good as you do.
Gronk's here.
Oh my God.
Please no.
I keep mine behind my back because if he can't see them, he doesn't know they're there.
He doesn't have hands.
Why does Gronk like shaking hands so much?
Just a friendly guy.
Oh, he's so friendly.
They're like a bunch of bananas.
Oh.
You alright, kid?
His pinky fell off. Just fell off. I've never seen that. Oh.
That's how I get my strength.
By eating pinkies?
Kids, why don't you go? Why don't you go, kids?
I thought we were going to learn some American
I
history
thought-
from Gronk.
Look, the competition is eating human flesh. So you're gonna have to eat human flesh. That's why I have this corpse here.
Alright, well,
So, the Tennessee Titans are due for a title.
okay.
So, dig in.
Just trying to think of who's famous enough from the Titans that would make people laugh.
Was Warren Boone a Titan? He was more of an Oiler.
Marcus Mariota is
Marcus-
popular now.
There was an Eddie running back.
Yeah, Eddie Marcus.
Hey, Dan Marino.
I'm gonna do anything I can to get back in the game.
Why don't you isotone that corpse?
I keep them on my wall. It's a glove.
I know. That part I know.
It just feels a little weird, to be honest.
Yeah, it does to me too, mostly because I'm out of sports references.
We zoom in on the rubber glove.
It's purple.
It smells vaguely of talcum powder.
It's someone's cut off all the fingertips like those gloves.
It's non-latex nitrile.
I know. I got it.
It's a size medium.
It has bite marks in it. Somehow.
Thought I was the only badass that was gonna be here.
I was told that I was going to be the only badass in this area.
I invited you both so I could watch you fight. Yeah, not yet. They just got here.
Whoa. As a badass, I choose when I fight.
Yeah, it's part of the badass
Well, you don't have to
code.
fight. You can chicken out.
Yeah, you can chicken out if you
Yeah,
want
you
to
can
chicken out.
We don't care.
I don't care.
No, I mean like, cause I was gonna be the only badass here, so I wasn't preparing for a fight.
Yeah, I'm not even wearing my fight clothes. Look, I've got full sleeves.
Oh, I'm sorry. If you want to go home and change, I'm sure your mommy can help you.
No, I'm a badass.
Did we invite the wrong people? Because I thought we
Apparently.
invited badasses to fight.
Me too. Well, apparently.
We could fight, we just want to fight on our own terms.
I just know we're really close to a town border. I just didn't know if that border happened to be between us right now, because there'd be no need to fight.
Oh, is there a
town border?
Is there a land survey?
No, we're pretty much in the center of town.
We're saying,
Yeah.
Okay.
Was this always the center?
oh yeah, Village Squares right
Yeah.
there.
It's a clock.
Mm-hmm.
I could tear off my sleeves.
It's almost
because-
noon.
Look at historically.
I knew.
I knew.
Oh man.
I have this well planned out.
What's the
Except for
matter?
you guys chicken out.
What matter, you
I'm
slept
not
well?
gonna chicken out. I'm too much of a badass.
Yeah.
Uh,
I don't even eat chicken. Because I'm not much of a badass.
I do eat chicken, but I don't leave the KFC. It's in. I don't chicken out. I'm not a badass.
Try again. Come here. Try again.
Can't be cowards point too, huh?
I wasn't gonna say anything.
It's mostly emotional fear. Scared of committing.
You made it all the way here.
To like another person.
you guys gonna jump?
Just afraid that if I'm honest with Rachel, she'll.
Shifting focus.
won't respect me.
What's this guy's story?
At least I'm the only coward here.
Oh, I like this one. I think this one's gonna be good.
Are you saying you're challenging his cowardice?
But you more Carly.
They're here together. Strength in numbers.
No.
Cowardice alone.
Didn't even names.
I was just bearing my soul as a.
Listen to you bravely defending each other.
I was waiting for that spot to open before.
Consider it.
Wow, this is the best jump spot over here.
Hey, I had the best jump spot.
Or no?
Oh.
This Kentucky Fried Chicken's good.
Yes.
You guys want a piece?
Chicken, anyone?
I'm the most chicken person here.
Well, you don't need any chicken.
I can't stand up to peer pressure. I'll eat some chicken.
Should've brought a bunch.
Wow, that is pretty cowardly.
Look at
Yeah.
you standing strong and alone.
I'm feeling left out.
It's got trans fats in it. This will kill you slowly.
We're all just slowly killing ourselves with fast food. It's ironic.
Can I have a piece?
Yeah, please.
Oh, it's sad when you cry over your chicken.
Really glad to be here with you guys tonight.
Kind of hoping that there's a jump before I finish
I
this.
feel like I might have screwed the jump up.
It's great to have
Probably
the
shouldn't
support
offer
of
chicken.
you guys.
This is the most connection I've had with somebody in quite some
You
time.
guys make my heart extra crispy.
Oh no, I know what you did. You don't have to tell me. I can tell by looking at you. You chickened out. Oh no, you chickened. I can tell.
Nope.
I can smell it on you.
Nope, I'm sticking to my diet, huh?
Nope.
We're in this together. We joined a gym together. And this
Popeyes. You make me sick.
How could you?
But my chicken's not good enough for you? Because it's skinless
Started to
and
spark.
broiled.
I left some Popeyes on my back porch and now it's gone.
I told you I didn't go to Popeyes.
Oh, points for honesty.
What are your thoughts on the matter? Go on, you just go. Come on.
I've been living here for weeks. Help me! I don't know these people. I was on the back porch. I was off the back porch. Where?
She just goes in straight lines all day.
She's just older.
Yeah.
So you said back porch.
So,
man. Maybe we can go back to your back porch and have a conversation.
We're all on the back porch.
Is there anything else on your back porch? Animals, furniture.
Cut to the back porch where things get stolen immediately.
It's not much here.
There was a, it's just a
You want